Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine. And can you guess what are we going to learn today? Yes? And which subject are we going to do? Okay. So today we are going to do a subject creative English. And what is the topic today? Can anyone tell me? But before that, I'll ask you something. What is this? There are two pictures in the slide. 1 and 2. What is this? Very good. They are plants. What are they? They are plants. Okay, what is the most beautiful thing here? You can see. What is the most beautiful thing here? Flowers, leaves, or pot? Okay, now see next. Plants have different parts. Do you know that plants have different parts? Yes. Roots. These are roots. Okay, these are roots. Stem. This line, that is stem. Leaves. These are leaves. Flowers and fruits. Yes, there are different parts in the plant. Yes, you know, root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Correct? So today we are going to learn about what? Can you guess now? No? Okay, then I'll ask you something more. Which is the most beautiful part of the plant? Flower, right? A flower is the most beautiful part of the plant because they are so colorful and they bloom like this, right? First they are a small bud like this, and then they slowly they bloom like this, right? This looks so beautiful. Yes, children? So today we are going to learn about flowers. We are going to see different type of flowers. I'm sure you know them in Hindi and you know some of them in English also. But today I'll show you some 10 flowers. Okay, and you have to listen carefully because at the end teacher is going to ask you about each flower what I am going to teach. Okay, children? So you have to listen very carefully. Okay, let's begin. Our first flower is, who will guess? No. Not first flower. First tell me what is this? What is this? This is so beautiful, right? What is it? This is a garden, right? Park. You go to the garden and you see so many different type of flowers and plants there. So many type of trees, flowers, colorful flowers, right? So flower is the part of a plant. Flowers grow on trees and plants. Flowers are of different color, shape and size. Yes or no, children? Even we have flower pot at our house. Yes. Do all pot have same color flowers? No. I have 3 pots at my house. One with red color flower, one with pink color flower and one with yellow color flower. Right? And they all 3 are with different name and different leaves. So, all the plants and all the flower are of different shape, size and color. Okay. So, now we are going to see what are the uses of flowers. Okay. We use flowers for decoration. Yes. In the wedding hall, we see that the hall is fully decorated with flowers. Sometimes at our home, we have a puja or any function. Some of them decorate with flowers also, with different colorful flowers. Yes. During the Ganpati also, there are so many different type of flowers. At your home, you can see. Bouquet of flowers are given as a gift. You know, a bunch of flowers that is called bouquet. It is given as a gift. Okay, when we go to the wedding or some birthday party. Flowers are used to make perfumes, incense sticks and soap. The soap we use, in that also flower is used. In the perfume also flowers are used, and incense sticks. You know what is incense sticks? You know, when we worship our God, we have agarbatti in our hand. Yes, that is called incense sticks. Okay. Now let us learn about flowers. Now here we are going to see our first flower. Which is the first flower? Rose. Oh wow. Everyone like this flower, right? This is a rose. Rose is a flower. Roses are of different colors like pink, white, yellow, etc. It has thorns on its stem. Rose flowers have pleasant smell. Now I'll show you where is the thorns. Can you see this? Yes, can you see here? My God, that are very sharpened, okay? So we have to take care when we touch the flower rose. Okay? There are very sharp thorns that can go inside your finger and you can also get a blood. So we should always take care before touching the flower rose. Next. See, I told you there are different color of the rose. This is red, there is yellow, there is a white and there is a pink. Yes, there are different color rose. Okay. Now let's see which is our next flower. Which flower is this? Have you seen this before? Yes, this is very beautiful flower and it is lotus. This is lotus. It is pink in color. It grows and floats on the water. The lotus is our national flower. We can see lotus mostly in the pond. Yes. Can we see this lotus at our home in the plant? Can I grow lotus? No. Can I see outside on the tree? No. I can see lotus only in the pond. It floats on the water and it grows on the water. Okay. And this is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Next, what is our next flower? Let's see. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Which flower is this? Very good. This is sunflower. It has yellow petals. You know what is petals, right? These are called petals. Those are yellow in color. And you know what is different in this sunflower? The sunflower always looks towards the sun. If the sun is coming from this side, the face of the sunflower will be here. If the sun is coming from this side, the face of the sunflower will be here. So, the sunflower always looks towards the sun and follows the sun from east to west. That is why its name is sunflower. Understood, children? They grow, the sun comes from east, so the sunflower also face towards the east. Okay? Next. What is our next flower? Anyone guess? Oh, I have seen this flower so many times at my home. You know, I use this flower while making toran. You know, I make toran for my house. During the function, during some occasion, I make toran and put it, hang it outside my door. And also, I use this in front for my God. I use in a temple also. So, what is the name of this flower? This is marigold. It is yellow and orange in color. It grows in bushes. They don't have big plants or trees. They don't grow in a big trees. They grow in a bushes down. Okay, they're a bunch of bushes. So there are two colors of marigold, yellow and orange. I'm sure you all have seen this flower. Now, which is our next flower? Can anyone guess? Come on, can you guess what this is called? Hibiscus. This is called hibiscus. It is seen in many colors like red, pink, white, yellow, and more. The red hibiscus is offered to Lord Ganesha. This red color hibiscus, see, you can see the red color hibiscus in the picture. This one. Yes, this is red color hibiscus which is offered to Lord Ganesha. Yes, you all have seen that, right? Now, which is our next flower? Can you guess with this picture? Yes? No? No problem. I will tell you. But you have to remember the name because I am going to ask you. This is called dahlia. What this is called? Dahlia. A dahlia is a bright colored flower with long thin petals in a shape like a ball. Sorry, 1 minute. See, this dahlia, these are the petals. They are very long and they are very thin, okay? And it looks like a ball. It has multi-layered petals and are of various colors. See, now this is pink. Sorry, this is pink and red, right? There is also of yellow color I have seen. I am also seen half yellow and half red. So there are very multicolored petals of this flower. Okay, this is called dahlia. Now, what is this? Can you tell me? Which flower is this? No? This is jasmine. It is a very, very beautiful smell. It's very nice. It grows in a cluster or bunches. It grows in a bunches, okay? They are always in a bunch. You cannot see one flower like rose. It is mostly white in color and is a pleasant smell. It's very nice. You can tell your mummy if it is available anywhere outside, she will show you, okay? What is our next flower? Oh wow, this is also so nice. This is lily. Which flower is this? Lily. Which flower is this? Lily. A lily is a beautiful and large flower. It is white, yellow, red, purple or pink in color. There are so many colors seen in lily, you know. Water lily grows in ponds. See, this is a picture of water lily. This is a picture of water lily. There are two types of lily. This lily grows in plants and trees and this lily grows in water. Okay. And there are so many colors seen in lily. Next. Next is, wow, so nice. Which is this? This is daffodil. Which flower is this? Daffodil. A daffodil is a yellow flower with central part shaped like a tube. Okay, this is yellow color flower and the central part means this part. It is like a tube. Okay. Next. Wow, such a big flower. This is tulip. This flower is called tulip. This is tulip. The flowers are of cup shaped. It is like this, like a cup. Okay, this is like a cup. Tulips are very colorful and are of different colors such as red, purple, yellow, pink, orange and many more. This tulip is they have a very big stem, and it's a very big flower of a cup shape. It's really very beautiful. So now children, I hope you remember all the name of the flower. I hope you remember all the flowers with their names. Yes. So let's quickly revise. Which is this flower? Come on, anyone? Rose. Well done. Very good. Next, which is this flower? This is our national flower. And which is this? Lotus. Yes. Which is this flower? It grows. It faces the sun, right? So this is called sunflower. Very, very good children. Which is this flower? Come on, who will tell me? This is most of the time seen at our house. Marigold, yes. Which is this flower? Hibiscus. This flower is hibiscus. We offered to Lord Ganesha, remember? Which is this flower? Come on, this looks like a ball and they have so many different multi-layered petals. Which is this flower? Come on, tell me. You forgot? Dahlia. This is Dahlia. Which is this flower? This is Jasmine. Which is this flower? Remember, there are two types of flower which grows in a plants and also in a water. Lily. Very good. Which is this flower? Daffodil. Very good. Which is this flower? The last one. This is tulip. So nice. Very, very good children. So now you know the name of different flowers. Yes, you have seen different flowers. You have learned different flowers today, right? Hope you don't forget this name and you remember well. Okay, children? So now I am going to end my session here. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this session. And next time we will come with a new topic. See, can you see this flower down here also, red and yellow? They are tulip. Yes. Take care children. Thank you.